Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Glorious Ventures. This is Gloria here. So today guys, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I'm doing to cleanse my body after using medication for so long. Like I told you in my last video that I haven't been feeling well and I have used a lot of medicines and I have developed some side effects after using this medication. So today we are going to start with mulberry tea and hibiscus tea. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So to make the mulberry tea, you can boil a handful of mulberries in 2 cups of water for 5 minutes, or you can do what I'm showing you in this video. You put hot water in a cup and then put some mulberries and squeeze them lightly and let the tea sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you strain your tea and your tea is ready to drink. I made this tea using fresh mulberry fruits. It's naturally sweet, full of antioxidants and great for detoxifying your body. Mulberries help cleanse your system, support your liver and boost your energy in a gentle, natural way. But did you know that the leaves are also amazing for tea? Mulberry leaf tea helps balance blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, and purify the body from toxins. You can enjoy both the fruits and the leaves straight from one tree. That's why I encourage everyone to plant at least one mulberry tree in your yard. It grows fast, gives you healthy fruits, healing leaves, and adds beauty to your home. Start your natural detox journey with a simple cup of mulberry tea, and your body will thank you for it. Besides making mulberry tea, you can also add them to your breakfast meals. You can mix fresh or dried mulberries into your oatmeal, porridge, or yogurt for a naturally sweet, nutrient-rich boost. They blend well with bananas, nuts, and honey, perfect for an energy-filled morning. You can blend the mulberries into a smoothie with bananas, milk, or yogurt and a touch of lemon juice for a delicious vitamin-packed drink. So guys, start small. Plant one tree, make a cup of tea, or enjoy a handful of berries. One of my favorite teas for detox and immunity is mulberry tea. It's gentle, natural, and packed with goodness that helps the body to cleanse and stay strong. If you haven't tried it yet, it's definitely worth adding to your routine. Now I'm going to show you how I make my hibiscus tea. First, I take a handful of dried hibiscus flowers and I place them in a 1 liter teapot. Then I pour in hot water and let it sit for about 5 minutes. The tea is ready after that, rich in color and full of flavor. You can have a cup of this hibiscus tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and a cup in the evening before you go to bed. Sometimes I pour the tea into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Later I add the hibiscus ice cubes into my jar of water, fill it up and sip it throughout the day. It keeps me cool, hydrated and refreshed. Another simple way is to add a few hibiscus flowers directly into your drinking water. As the flowers infuse, they release their natural color and nutrients, turning your water into a healthy, beautiful drink you can enjoy all day. Hibiscus is a powerful natural herb known for its cleansing and immune boosting properties. It helps flush out toxins, supports the liver health, and is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Regularly drinking hibiscus tea can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and promote healthy blood circulation. When combined with mulberry tea, it creates a refreshing and nourishing blend that helps detox the body, boosts energy, and keeps the immune system strong naturally. Remember, taking care of your body starts with small daily habits. A simple cup of hibiscus or mulberry tea can go a long way in cleansing your system and strengthening your immune system. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and let nature help you feel your best every day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy. Bye.